Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Workshop, and it is a brand new year. It is 2026, it is January. It's a new season for our Paradise Fibers, everything else we're doing. It's my first Paradise Fibers in the new year, my first Paradise Fibers in my new house. And it is absolutely stinking adorable. Look at the little lambs all over this bag. So cute, so cute. So, Paradise Fibers, it is a bi-monthly subscription. It's a surprise. You don't know what you're getting. It's absolutely amazing every time. I love it. I pay for my own package, but I am affiliated with them. So if you want to go get your own, there is a discount code down below, and there is an affiliate link, which helps my channel because I do not make money any other way with this channel except for that, and that feeds my addiction. Anyway, look at these little lambs got milk and cookies. It's so cute. So I did my best to get the label off because I didn't want to damage the bag. Let us see what is in this. I am very excited to see what we have this month. And since they've gone bi-monthly, I actually really like it because your package is like that much better. So you can really do something with what they send you. They gave you great packages before anyway, but ooh. Okay, let's see. Here is our card. They always give you a card with information. We cooked up something extra sweet for Fiber Club this month. January can feel a little quiet after the holidays, which makes it the perfect time to get cozy, do some baking, and spend time at the wheel. This month's theme is inspired by two favorite family recipes. Our son Tate's brown butter toffee chocolate chip cookies. That sounds good. And Travis's raspberry scones. That sounds good too. It took a little convincing, but they both agreed to share their recipes with you. Ooh, there's a picture. So then there is a toffee chip cookie fiber, 7 ounces. It's 75% BFL and 25% bamboo, inspired by Tate's Incredible Cookies. And there's a raspberry scone fiber, 7 ounces, 80% 18.5 micron extra fine merino, and 20% mohair. Wow. If you visited the shop on a Saturday, you've probably seen Travis sharing his raspberry scones. So that one is based on that. They have 2 scanning codes that are the recipes and pattern ideas. This month includes Firefly Enamel Bakery Stitch Markers, measuring spoons, and baking powder. You'll also find the You Deserve Cookies sticker designed by our talented niece, Sunny. I think that's that's on the bag. Their niece has been designing images for them lately, and that's what they've got all over the bag. Okay, so here is the toffee chip cookie fiber. Let's see. Look at that. That is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Even though my husband is making funny faces at me and doing things he shouldn't be doing, I'm too interested in the fiber to pay any attention to him. So he can go away. Look at that. So pretty. That is going to spin up and make some beautiful yarn. And this is the raspberry scone fiber. I wish you guys had Feel-O-Vision. It's so soft with that extra fine merino and the mohair. Look at the colors in that. That is really pretty. I don't know if I'd do something together with them, or I think I'd probably do something separate, but those are really pretty. That's gonna make absolutely beautiful something. And here's our little extras. There's the sticker made by their niece. I think it's great that she's been doing that. It's They're so stinking cute. She does an amazing job. What did she say their niece's name is? Suni. Their niece is Suni. Suni, you did an amazing job. And the little envelope this is in. Not intended for children. Guess I shouldn't have it then, huh? Oh, how cute. Here's the 2 stitch markers. So the one is the Cook's Favorite Baking Powder, and the other one is Measuring Spoons. How cute are those? They're little knitting markers. Those are super cute. Those will be fun to use. So I think this month is an absolutely amazing container, package, whatever you want to call it. Surprise in my mailbox. It's Happy Mail. That's what it is. Absolutely lovely Happy Mail. I am so excited. And they outdid themselves this month. They have amazing fiber, and it's like just the right amount of extras and stuff like that. So perfect. Thank you, Paradise Fibers, so much. You guys, if you love fiber like I do, go get it. Go get it. You will be happy you got it. I've done different subscriptions, and they give you a great surprise, and I am never disappointed in what I get. Even when it's a color that's not really my color, I am not disappointed in what I get. And yeah, and I'm not just saying that because I'm affiliated with them. I've thought that since the get-go. So go get yourself one today. Go do it. You know you want to. Okay, so this one is a little extra. This one's my special one. This is Paradise Fibers. This will hopefully go up later on tonight, and you will still get your weekly video later on. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.